Hi, I'm Gashakin GT. Welcome to Go Vehicle Town.
Gashakin, I want to see the vehicles that make the roads in Japan.
Then let's get started. Here's today's vehicle. The motor grader that moves along smoothing out uneven gravel roads. He's got friends with different skills too, and they all cooperate to make the roads.
Wow! So many cool-looking vehicles! I can't wait to see what all their skills are! Yikes! There's so much gravel! I wonder if it's possible to make a bumpy road like this flat.
Leave it up to us!
Huh? Who's that?
Our team worked together to make roads. Hey, we'll even make this bumpy road into a flat one in a flash.
They all have quite unique shapes. I've never seen vehicles like these before.
You're right. Let's see and learn how a road is made by seeing them all work.
Yes, I'm all set.
First up, it's me, the motor grader. My job is to flatten the bumpy ground.
Luppy, do you see the long plate-like thing between the front and rear tires?
Yup. What is it?
It's called a blade.
The blade can be moved freely up and down and left and right. This blade is used to flatten the bumpy road.
Wow! The gravels are coming together.
The ground is flattened by moving the vehicle with the blade placed against the ground and scraping away the extra gravel.
Wow! It's moving along, pushing lots of gravel. It must be really powerful.
I can even do this.
Wow! The tires are tilting.
The motor grader is big, but by tilting the front wheels like this, it can do small turns.
You're right. That's cool.
Next, check out how my friend work, the road roller.
Wait. Mr. Road Roller doesn't have a black tire on his wheel. Did he drop it somewhere?
Luffy! I do my work by using these big iron rollers. So it's okay I don't have tires.
This roller is hard and looks really heavy.
It's about 10 tons, so it's equivalent to about the weight of 5 passenger cars.
That heavy? What kind of work is done using this roller?
Take a good look at the ground that the road roller moved over.
Wow! It's more hardened and looks nicer than before.
The road roller nicely sets the entire ground by further firmly pressing and hardening the surface that the motor grader flattened.
I have a friend who has similar skills to mine. He's called the hand guide roller and works by being pushed forward by a driver. He's compact, so he can work in small places where a big vehicle like me can't go.
The road roller has even smaller friends. These two are also worked by being pushed forward by a person. They're small but still do great work firmly pressing the ground to harden it.
Interesting. Mr. Road Roller has a lot of friends.
Next up is me. I'm called an Asphalt Finisher. It's great to meet you. Lappy, do you know anything about asphalt, the material used for making roads?
Asphalt? Not really.
Lappy, it looks like a dump truck just delivered some asphalt.
Wow! Is this black sand like big asphalt?
Yep. It's spread onto the ground, then pressed and hardened to make a road. I received the asphalt delivered by the dump truck into this wide space called a hopper. In the hopper, I pushed the asphalt into the back using the conveyor at the bottom.
Wow! The asphalt is getting sucked into the back. Wow! Now I see something growing from the back.
It's time now for Vehicle Quiz. I want all of you to think about this too. What is this part that's extending left and right used for? Here's a hint. It's used with the asphalt.
Is it used to flatten the asphalt?
Lappy, you got it! This plate is used to flatten the asphalt that's spread on the ground. It's called an iron.
See how the surface is no longer bumpy and is smooth after the iron passes over it.
Yes! Oh, gosh again! What is this machine turning round and round?
This is a device called a screw. Asphalt hardens over time, so this screw rotates and keeps mixing the asphalt to prevent it from hardening.
It does all these different things at once. That's amazing!
The one who finishes up everything is me, the tire roller. It's nice to meet you.
You look a bit like Mr. Road Roller.
Lappy, take a good look at my feet. Mr. Road Roller's rollers are made of iron, but my rollers are tires.
You're right. They're tires.
Miss Tire Roller works together with Mr. Road Roller to harden the ground paved with the asphalt.
I have 3 tires in the front and 4 in the back.
Why so many tires?
Using many tires that are lighter than iron does a great job nicely pressing and hardening a broad area of asphalt.
Because Mr. Road Roller and I press the asphalt in turn, we can make a very strong road.
So you go over the ground several times, making it smoother each time. Huh? There's water coming out from near the tires.
Roads just paved with asphalt are really hot, so to prevent the rubber tires from melting and sticking, the vehicle moves with water for cooling.
Lappy, that's it. We just made a road. Did you learn a lot about us?
Yes. Thanks to all of you, cars can travel the road smoothly.
Lappy, what did you think of today's vehicles?
I saw so many vehicles for the first time, and I had a great time.
Go Go Vehicle Town is currently on YouTube. Go Go Vehicle Town, subscribe!
乗り物が